All right, what's going on, traders? Happy weekend. And we had another fantastic trading week with our prop firm automation accounts. We closed over 5 figures again, and we have hit over 100% in total profits in less than 6 months. This is one of the accounts that we are actually managing for our clients. We were able to get him funded back in July, so July 2025. This client is now funded across multiple prop firms with over $500,000, and he has secured over 6 figures in consistent payouts. Right now, he's funded with FTMO, FXify, and E8 Markets. A lot of our members are funded across multiple prop firms. You guys can start off with one, and then once you guys do get your payouts, we do recommend getting other prop firm accounts so that you guys can secure higher payouts. So right now, this client is actually due for multiple payouts next week. Looking forward to that. Right now, if I go to my social trader tool, you will be able to see just how much this account has grown. This is our 200K prop firm account management. And right now, you can see that we started these accounts back on the 30th of July 2025. We are right now at the 12th of December 2025. During the course of these 6 months, we have only had a few days of a drawdown. One of them being right there. You can see 72.97 dropped to 71.93. We are only risking 1 to 1.5% max daily loss on these accounts. And that's why we have been able to grow this account so successfully. Right there, 81.33, and then we had 80.96, and then from here we had 88.31, 87.56. So yeah, there have been a few days that we did go into a slight drawdown, but overall we have just been consistent, and that is the most important thing when you guys are trading with prop firms. Because prop firms have strict rules, like for example, maximum daily loss is 5%. And overall maximum loss is 10%. And you do not want to get into such a big drawdown where it's mentally stressful trying to catch back up. So with our prop firm accounts, we are very, very strict in the way we trade it. We try to have a high win rate while risking no more than 1 to 1.5% a day. And that is how we were able to grow this account consistently for the past 6 months and secure monthly payouts of over 5 figures. You can see our win rate right here. Our win rate has been 74.92%. Our longs won 129 out of 158. And then our shorts won 119 out of 173. So if I go to the trades, you're going to be able to see that the balance is exactly the same. You can see $416,248. $416,248.76. It is exactly the same as my desktop. You'll be able to see right here, 240,000 is the total profits, and then $416,248.76. Going through some of the trades from this past week, Monday was the 8th of December. We did take a few losses, but they were minimal. We'll go through all of the trades from the 8th of December. So here was the 5th, and then here is the 8th. It is exactly the same as my desktop. So on the 8th right there, 1,340. We ended up having a lot of wins. So we took a sell on pound dollar for 1,340. Took a sell on gold for 1,488. Another sell on gold for 1,384. And then we had a win on pound dollar for 700, and then another win for 710. And then right here we ended up taking our first loss on the 9th. So on the 9th we took a loss on euro dollar for 1,220. And then we ended up closing this trade as it seemed like it wasn't going in our favor. And then on the 9th we ended up winning 2,144, and then 740, 750, and then we took a small loss on gold, 144. It didn't go our way, so we ended up closing that trade. And then same thing with this gold. We ended up taking a small profit. And then we took a loss right there on euro dollar for 970. So that's the same right here. So right there, we took a loss, 970. And then we took a small loss on pound dollar again for minus 190. And then we had a win on gold for 1,360. And then we had win on pound dollar for 710. So on these prop firm automation accounts, we are only trading these 3 pairs: XAU, USD, euro dollar, and pound dollar. We do not try to trade every single pair. We just focus on the main pairs and try to be consistent. And we do take bigger lot sizes and try to minimize risk. So overall, we did clear over 5 figures this week as well. And I'm going to show you guys the overall profits from the past month. So just from the past month, we were able to secure $36,000, close to 20% on the 200K accounts. Same thing as my desktop. You can see $36,870. So overall, all in all, another profitable week and a profitable month. So it has just been continuing. We have hit over 100%. And this platform automation is a service in which we pass the challenge for you, get you funded, and continue to trade your funded accounts. So if you guys are only trading with a small capital, let's say $1,000, $2,000, making 10 to 20% is not enough profit. We do recommend that you guys get funded, do your prop firms. You guys can check out propfirmmatch.com. Go over here, check out some of the prop firms that they recommend. So right now for our community, these are some of the prop firms that our members are using: FTMO, Funded Next, Effexify, Alpha Capital, Maven Trading. So a lot of the same prop firms that Prop Firm Match is recommending. So right now we have so many members making well over 5 figures in total payouts across multiple prop firms. And once you guys join, we will send you guys a link. You guys will be able to log in. And then you guys will also be able to click on this group chat, which will lead you to our Telegram discussion group. Just this week, other members were able to secure payouts as well. So right now, if I go to yesterday, we had a few payouts as well in our group. And one of the members secured a payout from FTMO for $27,000. And then we had another member who secured a payout of over 5 figures from Effexify of $12,000. So you guys can also join our group, trade with discipline, and trade with consistency, and stick to strict trading rules so that you guys can make consistent payouts. If you guys are tired of blowing accounts, then you guys can join us. You guys can see the accuracy of our trades. Right now, our prop firm automation accounts start with the minimum account is 100K. We only do 100K accounts and above. It could be 100K, 200K, and you guys can add more accounts to it and get max allocation. So right now, you can see Funding Pips has max allocation for 300,000. EA has max allocation for even 2 million. So most of our members in our group are funded across multiple prop firms like this. You guys will also be able to have your own dashboard through our trading community. Whenever you guys are due for a payout, because all of the members have different payouts, you guys can hit this button right here, request a payout button, and then we will stop trading the accounts until you get your payout from the prop firms. One more thing, the best thing about our prop firm automation service is that it comes with all of our EAs. So whether it's the US 30 trading bot, our FX Goliath trading bot, or our gold trading bot, all of it is inclusive. It is all free in the prop firm automation service. So you guys can practice with the members in our community using the EAs while we get you funded and continue to get consistent payouts for you. So if you guys are also interested in this prop firm automation service, then make sure you guys go to our YouTube channel. Check out this video right here. We do make weekly update videos on the progress of the prop firm automation accounts. Hit this link right here. Reach out to one of our members to join our thriving trading community.